Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. We have gone through many videos on image processing, machine learning and computer vision. As we know, OpenCV is a huge open source library for computer vision, machine learning and image processing. By using it, one can process the image and videos to identify object. Today's video is really interesting. For that, let us see the Python file. First statement, the library which are packages which are required, libraries that needs to be imports. Then on the webcam for the video, start the webcam for the video. Then while condition true, it should be in an infinite loop. Then next statement, ret comma frame is equal to cap read the capture the video by webcam. The next statement, font is equal to cv2.font underscore herc. It is used to describe the type of font. The next statement, cv2.put text. It is used to put text on the video. Right now I will be putting Sanjay Mahajan YouTube. Then this 50-50 is at the starting upper position. Then next statement, cv2.imshow to show the image. Then next statement, if cv2.wait key, since I want to load the video for a few seconds, that's why I taken more time, and press q to exit. It will, since it is while loop is in infinite loop, so q is required to exit. Then cap.release, close the webcam, and cv2.destroy all, close all the windows. Now I will execute the program. Yes, Sanjay Mahajan YouTube. Now I will change the text. Machine learning YouTube. Now I will see the difference. Yes, machine learning YouTube. So we are successfully done with converge display text on the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.